Welcome to the ultimate showdown of cordless screwdrivers for 2024. If you're tired of manual screwdrivers that take forever or bulky power drills that overkill for small jobs, this video is for you. Today we'll reveal the top 6 cordless screwdrivers that combine power, convenience, and portability, giving you the best tools for DIY projects, furniture assembly, and everyday home maintenance. From compact designs to innovative features, we've tested and researched the market's finest, and we're counting down from number 6 to number 1, saving the best for last. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. Starting at our list at number 6 is the SKIL 4V cordless screwdriver. This tool is the epitome of simplicity and affordability, perfect for occasional users who need a reliable tool for light tasks. At first glance, the SKIL screwdriver impresses with its lightweight compact design, weighing less than a pound. It's powered by a 4-volt lithium-ion battery, providing enough juice for smaller tasks like assembling furniture or mounting photo frames. With a no-load speed of 220 RPM and a torque rating of 36 inch-pounds, it's not the most powerful tool, but it's more than capable of handling screws in soft wood, light plastics, and pre-drilled holes. One of the features of the SKIL is its micro-USB charging capacity. In a world where USB charging has become the norm for smaller electronics, it's refreshing to see this convenience extended to power tools. You can charge it up using a power bank, your laptop, or any USB wall adapter, making it a handy choice for on-the-go tasks. The LED light is another thoughtful addition, illuminating dimly lit areas and ensuring you don't miss the mark. However, the SKIL screwdriver does have its limitations. With no variable speed control or torque settings, it's less versatile than some of the other options on our list. It's also not built for heavy-duty tasks, so if you're planning on tackling tougher materials like hardwood or metal, you might find it lacking. That said, at a price of just $15, it's a great budget-friendly option for light use, earning its place at number 6. Make sure to check out the video description for Amazon links to this product. Moving on to number 5, we have the BLACK+DECKER 4V Max cordless screwdriver. BLACK+DECKER has a reputation for producing reliable and affordable tools, and this model is no exception. It builds on the simplicity of the SKIL screwdriver by adding a few more features, making it a step up for casual DIY enthusiasts. One of the first things you'll notice about this tool is its dual functionality. It's not just a screwdriver, but also a flashlight, combining two essential tools into one compact device. The LED flashlight is surprisingly bright, making it ideal for use in crawl spaces, attics, or during power outages. This screwdriver is equipped with a 4V max lithium-ion battery, delivering similar power to the SKIL, but with a more ergonomic design. Its 3-position pivoting handle allows for greater flexibility, letting you work in tight or awkward spaces with ease. While its fixed speed of 180 RPM or torque of 48.7 inch-pounds are adequate for light to medium-duty tasks, the lack of variable speed control can be a limitation when precision is required. Priced at $25, this cordless screwdriver offers solid value for money. It's ideal for those who need a bit more versatility than the SKIL but aren't ready to invest in a more advanced model. At number 4, we have the CRAFTSMAN. This screwdriver is designed with convenience in mind, featuring a unique rotating bit cartridge that holds multiple bits, so you don't have to keep track of loose accessories. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone who frequently switches between different screw types during projects. The screwdriver also includes an onboard magnet for holding screws, a small but thoughtful feature that can save time and frustration. Like the BLACK+DECKER model, the CRAFTSMAN operates at a fixed speed of 180 RPM and is powered by a 4V lithium-ion battery. Its torque is sufficient for everyday tasks like assembling furniture, installing shelves, or tightening cabinet hardware. While it doesn't offer the precision of variable speed or torque settings, its simplicity and ease of use make it a solid choice for homeowners and hobbyists. The LED light is another nice touch, ensuring visibility in low-light conditions. Priced at $25, it's a reliable and user-friendly tool, although it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-ranked models. Claiming the third spot is the Worx. This tool strikes an excellent balance between affordability and functionality, making it a favorite among budget-conscious DIYers. One of its standout features is its 3-speed torque adjustment, allowing you to choose the right amount of power for your task. Whether you're tightening delicate screws on electronics or driving screws into wood, this screwdriver has you covered. The Worx operates at a maximum no-load speed of 300 RPM, making it faster than the BLACK+DECKER and CRAFTSMAN models. It's powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and features a USB-C charging port, a welcome upgrade that ensures faster and more reliable charging. The tool's compact design and soft grip handle make it comfortable to use for extended periods, and the dual LED lights provide excellent visibility. At $25, it's hard to beat for its combination of features and performance, although its moderate battery life might leave you wanting more during longer projects. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Metabo. This premium tool is packed with features designed for precision and versatility. It boasts 21 clutch settings, plus a drill mode, allowing you to fine-tune the torque for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're working with delicate materials like plastic or tackling tougher jobs, this screwdriver gives you the control you need. One of the Metabo HPT's defining features is its dual-position handle, which can be adjusted from a straight inline configuration to a pistol grip. This makes it incredibly versatile and comfortable to use in various scenarios. The tool operates at 2 speeds, 260 RPM and 780 RPM, giving you the flexibility to handle both light and heavy-duty tasks. Its quick-charging lithium-ion battery replenishes in just 30 minutes, minimizing downtime. Priced at $67, it's more expensive than other models on this list, but its advanced features and superior performance make it worth the investment for serious DIYers and professionals. Finally, at the top spot of our list is the DEWALT. This innovative tool redefines what a cordless screwdriver can be, earning its top place as the best cordless screwdriver of 2024. Its standout feature is its gyroscopic operation, which uses motion activation to control speed and direction. Simply twist your wrist to adjust the tool settings, providing unparalleled precision and ease of use. With a no-load speed of 430 RPM, the DEWALT screwdriver is the fastest on our list. Its 8-volt lithium-ion battery provides ample power for a wide range of tasks, from assembling furniture to drilling pilot holes. The 1/4-inch hex chunk allows for quick bit changes, and the LED light ensures you can work confidently in low-light environments. Priced at $90, it's the most expensive model here, but its combination of speed, power, and innovation makes it the clear winner. So there you have it, the top 6 cordless screwdrivers of 2024. Whether you're looking for an affordable tool for occasional use or a feature-packed powerhouse for professional projects, there's something on this list for everyone. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy DIYing!